Okay, working on this 05 Subaru Forester. The outside temp says 122, and it's probably 40 degrees out there, so imagine that the sensor is broke and is the on the max value. So if you don't know, a little ambient air temperature or outside air temperature is usually always right at the front here, so we can catch the air. And on a Subaru, it is right there. So we're gonna walk over to my parts cars, see if I have one, plug it in, and see if it works. I won't lie, I bought this one just for the hood. It's wrecked in the back. Okay. There's a sensor, just pushes in the back and has a push-in connector, so I'll pop that off. Okay, so pop this one off the other rig. The other rig did have some front end damage, so it's pretty hard to get in there. The clip broke. That's why God invented zip ties. So I'm just gonna unplug it, plug this one in, and see if it works before I pop this one out of the bracket. $54 degrees. That's awesome. I guess that is 50-ish. Thought it was a little colder. So yeah, that's cool. That sensor works. So we'll just bust off the broken one, grab a black zip tie and zip tie it to the mount. Got our zip pad. Put a little one on there and it was a little wobbly, so I put a normal sized. If that bothers you, then watch a different video or go to the dealership. Something obviously that you'll never see ever. This one said it was 54, but that's a lot closer than 122. We're at 51 now. Not too shabby, at least it works. The cost was $0. The cost for you will probably be $1 or $2 from a local U-Pull-It.